Hey, what's up? It's Ike Paz. Welcome aboard. I'm sending you my 10 to 15K a month blueprint video guide plus free software to your email inbox. It should land on your email, in your email inbox within 5 or 7 minutes. Very important. Make sure you watch it on your computer, on your PC, on your laptop. Do not watch it on your phone for the best possible experience so that you absorb all this information. I'm giving away my 10 to 15K a month blueprint. You don't want to miss this. I'm going to show you how I went from 0 to 6 figures a year, selling something that a lot of people don't talk about because they think it's too difficult to do, which is not. You're going to find out everything, okay? So make sure you check out your email inbox. It should land there within 6 or 7 minutes. And don't forget to white label my email so you get all my emails so that you're always in the know on how to replicate what I've done in the past 3 years. Okay, see you in the next video.